Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you were here with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can achieve this sunset inspired double cut crease with a touch of glitter. This look is bold, but it is beautiful with the combination of warm tone oranges and cool tone purples, and then the touch of glitter just adds a touch of elegance to the look. So it is a bold but beautiful and colorful makeup look that I feel is perfect for spring and summer, or if you simply want to play around with some makeup. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'll have a link in the description box where you can do so. Once you're subscribed, you can stay up to date on all of the future posts that I make here on my channel, and you definitely don't want to miss out on any of those. So if you would like to know how to achieve this look, whether you are a beginner or a pro, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. Done. This is the look that I'm going to be teaching you today. I'm going to be walking you through it step by step on how to achieve this look. Cut creases are super frustrating at times. I remember when I first started doing cut creases, I would try and try. I would watch so many tutorials and nothing would work. I actually cried at one point, like, why can't I do this? What the heck is going on? So anyway, I'm going to be walking you through on how to achieve this. It is not that hard. I'm going to be walking you through it. We're going to get through it together. I already have this eyelid primed with concealer, so we are good to go. I'm going to start off with my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that orange on the left side of the palette. It's a little bit of like a salmon orange. And with my Sigma E40, we're going to blend this into the crease. I actually grabbed a lot of shadow. I'm really gonna like saturate the color in this area, and we're gonna get the shape of our cut crease going, so just kind of blend it in that curvy shape, like a little bitty wave. Next, I'm gonna go into that vibrant orange more towards the center of the palette, and I'm still gonna use my Sigma E40, and we're gonna blend that in the same area that we applied our first color. Then I'm going to switch over to a pointed eyeshadow brush from Sigma. This is the E30 pointed, or just the pencil brush. I'm going to take that same orange we're applying in our crease right now, and I'm going to actually draw out the shape of the crease. Now this is going to differ from each eye shape. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to start like drawing out the crease higher than my natural crease shape, because once I open my eyes, if I put it where my true crease was, I wouldn't be able to see the cut crease. Next, I'm going to take that black shadow from the Morphe 35B palette. You can use that one if you have the palette, but I'm pretty picky about my black eyeshadows. Like, I really like it to be pigmented, and my favorite is the Urban Decay's Blackout Shadow. And I'm gonna go into that, and I'm gonna use my Sigma E65 small angled brush, and I'm going to begin by mapping out the wing of our second crease. So I'm going to go ahead and basically just follow the same shape that I used on this one, because we want to make them as even as possible, just like wing liner. So I'm going to take that brush. I'm going to start by like picking up the line at the outer, like in the tear duct. I'm going to make my mark there, and we just want to make it the same shape. We're going to connect the wing back down to the lash line, but we'll thicken it as we fill it in. Next, we're going to go in and cut the eyelid. So I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C2, and with a Wet n Wild concealer brush, I'm just going to cut the eyelid. And same as the crease line, I'm going to cut the eyelid a little bit higher than my natural eyelid. Next, I'm going to take a flat shader brush and that bright orange we used in our crease, and I'm going to pack this onto the eyelid where we cut the eyelid with concealer. Next, I'm going to take that vibrant bright purple. It's a little bit dark, and with the flat shader brush, I'm actually going to apply it in between the black and the orange. So we're just going to tap it and then smudge the black together with that purple. Next, I'm going to take that purple we just applied on the eyelid, and I'm going to lightly blend this into the crease with a Anastasia Beverly Hills small fluffy crease brush. Then we can take that same purple on the pointed eyeshadow brush from Sigma, an E30, and we can begin to draw out the crease. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Concealer and a Tarte Cosmetics concealer brush, we're going to cut a line in between our wing and the crease. Next, I'm going to take that vibrant dark purple, and with a Sigma E05 eyeliner brush, I'm going to take this color and really focus it above where the glitter is to define the crease. And to blend out those rough edges for that purple shadow, I'm going to go in with that bright orange we used in the beginning, and with an e.l.f. contour brush, I'm going to go ahead and buff out the edges of that purple shadow. And to clean up the brow bone area, I'm going in with that white shadow, and with my Sigma E60 large shader brush, I'm going to pop this on the brow bone. And next we'll pop on some eyelashes to finish off the eyes for now. I'm going to go in with the Ardell Double Up Double Wispies. These are amazing lashes, definitely one of my favorites from Ardell. Let's move on to the face. Let's go ahead and prime first, because your girl don't go without priming. I'm going to go in with my J.ONE Jelly Pack foundation primer. This has to be the best foundation primer ever. So I'm going to go ahead and tap it in. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to go in with a good drugstore foundation from Covergirl. This is their Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation, and I'm in the shade 705. Let's apply like one pump for now, and we'll use that for the entire face. I'm going to blend it in with my Morphe M439. Time to go in with some concealer. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C2. And I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender to blend all of this out. Then I'm quickly going to go in with my Coty Airspun Translucent Face Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. We'll do a light amount of baking today, just enough to really prevent that concealer. Let's take Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in 0. I'm going to focus this on the outer lower waterline. Hopping back over to the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take that vibrant orange on a Sigma E70 medium angle shading brush. I'm going to smoke this out along the entire lower lash line. Then taking that bright purple we've been using, I'm going to take my pencil brush from Sigma. Again, this is the E30, and we're going to focus this on the lash line as well. I'm going to focus this closer to the lash line, not smoking it out as much as I did the orange. And I'm going to focus this on the outer lash line as well. Okay, now let's go ahead, dust away all that powder before it sits there too long. Let's go in and contour. Let's do some damage to our cheekbones. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette and Dulce de Leche. Dolce de Leche. Either one, that's the palette we're going to be using, and I'm going to switch it up with brushes. Let's use F10 from Sigma. Dipping into the Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, I'm going to take a Daydream, and on a Sigma tapered highlighter brush, this is the F35, I'm going to like drizzle a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus on it, and I'm going to go ahead and pack on the highlighter onto the cheekbones. I'm going to be using a lip color that's going to look perfect with the eye look. It literally matches the purple perfectly. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Berry Recognized. And for our cheek color today, I'll be going in with Milani's Rose Powder Blush and Romantic Rose. And I'll be applying that with a Sigma F10. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys were able to achieve this double cut crease. Like I talked about in the beginning of my video, cut creases are super technical, super difficult. It's all about finding your eye shape and what works best for you. But once you get it down, it's such a fun look. You just want to do them all the time. They're super fun, and I really like how this one turned out. Make sure you guys subscribe. There's a link in the description box where you can subscribe. Once you're subscribed, you're able to stay up to date on all the videos that I upload in the near future, and you definitely don't want to miss out on any of those. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media pages. I'm on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. I will have all of those usernames on the screen somewhere over here where you can check it out and follow me as well. Make sure you follow me because I post a lot of makeup looks you don't see on my YouTube channel, and you'll want to check those out, and also just any other makeup beauty related stuff. So make sure you go follow me to kind of stay up to date and just see what's going on in my life. I love you guys so much, and Jesus loves you with all of his heart. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.